Hardy. My name is Jessica. I'm a technician here at Anderson Lakes Animal Hospital, and I have Hardy, our willing participant today, to show you how to burrito wrap your cat. This is a technique that we utilize in clinic if we have a very wiggly kitty and we have to do either injections or give them medication, something that they have to sit still and can't move their arms and legs around a lot. So this can be helpful at home if you have to do some sort of fluids under the skin, medications under the skin, or if you have to give medications by mouth and they like to paw your hands away from their mouth. So what you're gonna find is a cat appropriately sized either towel or blankie, and you're gonna lay it on a table, and it's almost like swaddling a baby. So Hardy is going to be our baby. Lay down, and then you kind of want their little feeties out, but not quite to the edge of the towel or blanket, because you're going to fold that over their feet, and then you're going to wrap one side nicely around. We tuck them in, and then the next side is going to come around and nicely burrito them into their blanket tortilla.